Hello there! Today we're going to review the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe FH50150 carpet cleaner. Shopping for a home carpet cleaner is often confusing because there are so many different models to choose from. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is a highly rated consumer grade model, and it's also a bestseller right now. So why do users like this model? And is it right for your needs? We're going to find out today. For a start, this model works very well for pet owners, homes with heavy pet stains to deal with. It's also great for homes with, lots of carpet stains, even old embedded carpet stains. This machine helps to take them out, and it's also good for general carpet cleaning and maintenance. It's easy to use and it's lightweight. We tested the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe carpet washing machine on a very soiled and stained carpet area. This is the badly stained carpet area. It's just outside the kitchen area of an apartment home. You can see that the carpet looks really bad and soiled, and it's mostly from foot stains and foot traffic. It's got a lot of spots and stains, sometimes dating back to 5 years ago. Yeah, the carpet was last steam cleaned 5 years ago, and since then it has only been vacuumed once in a while, and it's not been washed with a carpet washer at all for the last 5 years. We went back and forth the area many times with washing and rinsing strokes. It took quite a bit of work, but we were able to clean this carpet area up a lot. We also tried the machine out on another stained area. You can see that the stains came out really fast, pretty much within a couple of washing strokes. So let's take a look at the top features of this machine and what users like about it. For a start, once you see this machine, you touch and carry it, you'll notice that it is one of the lightest upright carpet cleaner models out there. The Hoover Power Scrub weighs just under 19 pounds without water. It's also small and compact in size when compared to other full-powered upright carpet cleaners. So that means it's less intimidating to use, and not only that, it's easier to store and it's easier to maneuver around. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe uses a 2-tank water system. There are 2 water tanks, one for filling in clean water and one for collecting dirty water that gets suctioned out of the carpet. They are really easy to pull out and then slot back into the machine. The machine has a rinse-wash selector switch. In wash mode, the machine cleans with detergent and water, and in rinse mode it cleans with just water. This makes it easy to remove any residual detergent left in the carpets. If you were to use a machine without this feature, each time you wanted to rinse the carpet, you would have to start fresh with a tank filled with just clean water. Central to the machine's operation is Hoover's SpinScrub brushes at the bottom. These spin brushes spin in a counter-rotating manner to remove pet and dirt stains. Different users have reported that they've used this on berber as well as plush, shag carpets, and they've gotten good results from both kinds of carpets. The cleaning path width is about 11 inches. You can see that there are 5 rotating brush heads. This is not a white path machine. Hoover also makes white path machine, like the Duo V White Path, and that's got an extra brush head, 6 brushes, so you do get more coverage for each cleaning stroke. But for regular cleaning, Hoover makes its machines with 5 brush heads. The machine has 10 amps of power for brushing and suctioning the dirty water out of the carpets. 10 amps is pretty powerful. Hoover's typical full-powered upright cleaners have 10 to 12 amps of power. In comparison, most Bezo upright machines, consumer-grade models, they have 6 amps of motor power. And they've been known to work very well, even with 6 amps. We've seen a lot of feedback from users who are really satisfied with how the suction power worked. And for anyone interested, this cleaner uses Hoover's Dual V suction technology. The package also comes with a nice set of tools and accessories to help you get the most out of the machine. For example, you've got this motorized turbo brush head tool. You've got different tools for cleaning upholstery, crevices and stairs. You've also got a sample bottle of solution to help you get started, and a hose assembly here. And on top of that, Hoover has provided a nice bag for you to hang your tools, store and hang your tools in. Currently, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe package comes included with more tools than other Hoover upright consumer grade models. If you were to purchase these tools separately, the cost can add up quickly. So this package does provide some good value here. To wrap things up, let's go over the pros and cons of the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe carpet washer. Firstly, it cleans really well. It deals well with all types of stains. It's also good for general carpet cleaning and maintenance. It's got great brushing technology, great suction power. It works on both berber and shag plush type carpets. The machine also has a convenient 2-tank water system, a rinse-wash selector switch. In addition, this machine has a great accessories and attachment package. It's easy to use, lightweight as well. It's priced low. For a full-powered machine, this is one of the least expensive ones around. And if you were to purchase this online, you can often get an even better deal. This machine also has a few cons associated with it. Firstly, the water tank is somewhat small. Although 1 gallon is the standard size for most upright carpet cleaners that are consumer grade, if you are cleaning a large area, it does mean quite a few trips back and forth to the sink to get the tank refilled. It can be a little difficult to see when the water has been used up. The clean water has been used up because the tank exterior is a little dark, so users would need to look carefully to check when the water is out and get the tank refilled. This is not a wide path model, it's a regular path model. As explained earlier, there are wide path models out there with wider nozzles, so you get more coverage for each cleaning stroke. And you can find out more on our carpet cleaning machines reviews website listed below. One last point, this is a very good consumer grade upright carpet cleaner, but it's not a professional grade carpet cleaner. So that means it's not going to be as well constructed as those professional grade carpet cleaners, such as those you see rented out at supermarkets. And again, if you need more details and comparisons as well as information, just check out our site. It's carpetcleaningmachinesreviews.com. There are many good carpet cleaner models out there to choose from. Overall, if you're looking for one that cleans extremely well, is easy to use, and comes equipped with convenient features like a streamlined 2-tank design and a rinse-wash selector switch, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe makes an ideal choice. Here's a testimonial from a user whose dog had bowel issues. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful.
For details and comparisons, please visit carpetcleaningmachinesreviews.com or click on the link below if you are watching this on YouTube.